Hey everybody,
Hey, welcome back to the Time Travel Sisters.
guess where we are this week?
We are in Glenwood Springs, Colorado.
The view is beautiful, the weather is even better, there's food everywhere we look.
Yeah, it's a great little town here. If you ever want to come here on the Zephyr, you can get on it from Chicago and come here. The views are great through the canyon, and you'll be able to take a lot of great photos on the train. And Glenwood Springs, you can walk to where you want to go.
We stayed at the Starlight Lodge in Glenwood Springs, and we're honestly surprised at how convenient and affordable it really was. If you're arriving by train, it's an easy walk if you aren't carrying luggage. Just head right from the station, cross the bridge over the springs, and then go left on the main road. If you've got luggage, we recommend that you take the free local shuttle that makes getting around super easy. It's called Ride Glenwood. The hotel isn't fancy, but it was clean, comfortable, and perfect for our 2-day stay. The bathroom even had a heat lamp. Plus, the mountain views made the room really worth it. There's even a village inn nearby for quick meals. If you're looking for a budget-friendly place in Glenwood Springs that gets the job done, this might be exactly what you need. The address is in the description. If you ever stayed there or plan to, drop us a note below.